5 minutes, super quick, protein packed, best for immune system, healthy, nutritious, delicious and crunchy salad which you can enjoy for snacks or breakfast. There are different ways to make sprout salad. I will make raw sprout salad which is much nutritious than steamed salad. Let's have a quick look how to make this healthy salad at home. I have taken half cup of black chickpea sprouts. Sprouting is basically the process where seeds and legumes are germinated by natural process. It's easy to make and take about 2 days to sprout. Chickpea sprouts are good source of protein, vitamins and iron. Moong sprout I have taken half cup. It is also very nutritious, healthy, rich source of antioxidant, high in vitamin C, build immune system, help to weight loss, improve eyesight, heart friendly, help to reduce acidity. It has also anti-aging properties. Next ingredients I have taken fresh chopped coconut 3 to 4 tablespoons. Coconut is good source of magnesium, selenium, copper, phosphorus, potassium, iron, zinc. It has good fats and fiber. My next ingredients is cucumber. I have taken half cup of chopped cucumber. Cucumber are rich source of antioxidant. It helps to weight loss, reduce blood sugar level, prevent from diabetes. It hydrates our body. I have taken half cup of roasted peanut. Peanuts are excellent plant-based source of protein and high in various vitamins, minerals. It has healthy fats, fiber, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamins B. Next we add a handful of chopped coriander. Coriander helps for lower blood sugar, rich in immune boosting antioxidant, fight from infections. Now I am adding some chopped ginger and one chopped green chilies too. If you wish, you can add more green chilies. Ginger has powerful medicinal properties. It helps to digest. Green chilies are natural source of iron, improve immune system, good source of vitamin C. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Black pepper improve digestion, help to weight loss, help to fight depression, treats asthma, increase nutrient absorption. Adding some roughly chopped mint. Mint helps digestion. It cools our body from heat. Adding some lemon juice. Lemon hydrates our body. It is good source of vitamin C, helps to weight loss, helps to digestion. Let's mix it properly. I am adding 1 cup of cornflakes, which is totally optional. If you don't like, don't add. I am just going to mixing it. Now only one ingredient we have to mix, that is black salt. Black salt help to treat acidity, so sprinkling some black salt. If you wish, you can add chaat masala powder. Garnish it with some fresh coconut. So friend, our super quick, protein packed, healthy, nutritious, delicious, crunchy salad is ready. You are getting all the healthy nutrient in one bowl. Do try and enjoy this simple yet flavorful crunchy salad at any time. If you wish, you can add some more veggies like finely chopped carrot, beetroot, cabbage, or any fresh leafy vegetable. You can check my other salad recipes in my channel Shravani's Kitchen, which spelling is SHRABANI, Shravani's Kitchen. For more healthy, unique recipes, please subscribe our channel Shravani's Kitchen. Press the bell icon also so you will get all the notification of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy.